Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make my signature carrot oil. This is what I use for my body. I don't have a very dark skin color, so this is something I use to improve my skin color. And as someone that has combination skin is when you have a mixture of dry skin and oily skin. So I've really had issues in the past with the right cream to use. So this is what works for me, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this. And if you are a very dark skin person and you don't want to lighten your skin, don't use this formulation. Like, no, because this is actually going to lighten you, not like bleach you actually, but it's going to like brighten up your skin. Say if you're 60% fair, it can actually make you like, let's say, 70 to 80% light. So if you're a very dark person and you just want to maintain your dark skin color and you don't want to like tone your skin, please don't use this formulation. Okay, so I'm just going to take you along what I have here. So I'm going to be using baby pears oil. This is the base oil I'm going to be using. Baby pears. It's the one with the purple lid. Pure, mild, and gentle baby oil. Yeah. So you can use any oil as well. If you have Johnson's. Prior to this time, I was actually using Goya, this olive oil. Yeah, that's some people call anointing oil. Yeah, so I was actually using it, but this time I said, okay, let me change. I also have lemon here. You can use either your green lemon or your yellow lemon. Then I have carrots here. I have like a number of them. Yeah, then I have this what will I call it now? This, I don't know the name. It's not really knife, but you can use it for carrots. So I'm going to try. I have it and I also have this as a substitute. I'm going to be interchanging them though. Let's see the one that works best and faster. Then I have my vitamin E oil here. I have a number of them, but I'm not using everything. Yeah, so I have a number of them there. So then I have my hot water. This hot water is just to sterilize because it's for your skin. So you have to make sure that you sterilize the things you're going to be using. The first thing I'm doing is that I'm going to put my carrot in hot water and my lemon as well, just to get rid of any germs that could possibly be there. The next thing I'm doing is that I'm sterilizing the materials that I'm going to be using for the carrot oil. I'm sterilizing them with hot water. And I also have these pots because I'm going to be doing a double boiler method for the infusion of the carrots into the oil. So I'm not going to be frying the oil. I'm going to be doing double boiler infusion. So I have these pots to boil the water. So I'm going to carry along. You're going to see all the procedures I'm using. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing here is that I'm going to start with the carrots. Yeah, let's just start with the carrots. So this is how this is being used. Just want to make sure that your carrot is clean because guys, it's for your skin, so you can't be careful enough. Can't be too careful. Okay guys, so I'm done grating already. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to rinse this again. Like I said guys, you cannot be too careful. It's your skin. So I'm just using the smaller parts. Okay guys, so I'm thinking of using this upper part. Let's see how that side works. Okay, I think it's better. Oh yeah. So guys, the essence of grating it is just so that the nutrients inside, all the chemicals in it that we need for our skin can easily infuse into the oil. That's the essence. And that's why I'm grating it very smooth so that I'm not going to overheat, and yet the oil is going to be rich with all the chemicals Indeed. When I mean chemicals, guys, I don't mean that it's harmful or no. I mean like the nutrients inside the carrots. Guys, so this is what we have. Guys, this grating part is very tasky, okay? I went through a lot. Like a lot. But the after result is worth it though. When you see your skin after using it is worth it. Okay guys, so on to the next part. Um so I'm going to grate the lemon now. What I just need from the lemon, I don't need the juice. I just need the lemon zest. Lemon zest is the back of lemon. So that's just the part I need for this. Let's go old school. We're gonna use knife. I hope my knife works too. Different things are happening here today. Oh my god. So this is supposed to be grated though, but I just realized that my grater is not sharp enough. One, that stuff, that stuff I'm calling knife, so can't do it. So we have to go to the olden days. And this my knife is not very sharp as well. But what can I do? Lemon has brightening properties. Lemon helps to fade dark spots. Yeah. As well as carrots. Carrots also helps to fade dark spots. So if you have hyperpigmentation, and it's not like it's all like this product is not white me now kind of thing. No. It's not like you see the result after 7 days. I don't know. People that I've heard people say things like that. If you use carrot oil, you see the results in 7 days. I don't know. Please, if you are there, holler me. If you've used carrot oil and it's worked for you for 7 days, let me know. I know it works, but I feel like it works over time, not like at once. And for me, carrot oil works very well on my skin, so it's worth it. It's worth all the stress I'm going through. I mean, it's worth it actually. So I'm done with the grating now and the peeling. Please, if you have a very sharp grater, grate your lemon. Don't peel it. Yeah. So this is it. I don't know if you can see it. It's what I have. It's looking all messy, but the end product is the goal. So what I'm just going to do is that I'm just going to put this is the bowl I'm actually going to be using for my double boiler. Yeah. So let the majority be your carrot because it's carrot oil. If you're making lemon oil, okay, you know the lemon has to be purely lemon. Ow. Or even if you are going to add carrots, it's going to be less. But because this is carrot oil, so carrot has to be more. Yeah. So guys, these are things to just do for your skin. Oh. So now time to pour my oil. Okay, let me see how this is now. Okay, so I'm going to keep this one in case of emergency. Time to boil. So you just put it directly on your gas, don't cover it, just so that when it's evaporating, it can go outside and not inside your oil. So I'm just going to tidy up this place while we come back to see our final results. Yeah. Guys, so now we are done with the double boiling. It's time to take it out. Taking it out of that spot was a struggle, so I had to do it behind camera. So this is how it looks like after 20 minutes. I had to double boil for 20 minutes because the color is changing. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to leave it for extra. We are going to leave it for extra 10 minutes so that it can infuse properly. We're going to set this aside. When it's cool and it's okay, after 10 minutes, I'm going to add my vitamin E oil, and we are going to start packing it. I'm back with the carrot oil. It has rested for I waited for it to cool. So it rested for like 20 minutes. So it's time to sieve. I got this extra bottle. This is where I used to have my face oil. So I got it to this is where I'm going to be adding sorry, this is where I'm going to be pouring the carrot oil. Then if there is any left, I'm going to pour it into this. Yeah. So time to sieve, guys. We're just going to do this. So you have to make sure that you're using a very fine sieve. Emphasis on fine sieve. So it's time for us to add the vitamin E oil. So for this quantity, I'm just going to be adding 3 capsules. I added 3 vitamin E capsules. Let's see, do I have oil here now? So time to pour. Okay, guys. So this is how our carrot oil is looking. Can you see the difference? So let me bring the original pears oil. Can you see the difference? Yeah. So stay tuned. So this, I'm actually just very excited about this. Like I'm so excited. I feel like I just hit a jackpot. That's how excited I am right now. Okay. So I have the extra here. Okay, I didn't even swatch. Let me just get a little. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that glow? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you? So this is what it looks on my skin. See right now I'm not looking like a matan fairy. Yeah. This is what it looks. This is the glow it's going to give to you. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my videos. For watching my video. If you're just seeing this channel for the first time, please do subscribe because we have juicy content and there are still going to be so many upcoming juicy content. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, please share your opinions. If you have questions, if you have contributions, what do you think I can add to this next time for a better glowing skin? So please share your contributions and just share your thoughts with me. And if you've had side effects using this, please let me know as well so that other people can learn. So till next time, stay positive, stay happy. God bless you. Bye.